I'm Dr. Rebecca Bowers, and in this video I will be discussing a way people commonly misuse their body that can result in low back pain and how to avoid it. First, let's discuss a little anatomy. At the bottom of our spine is a triangle-shaped bone called the sacrum. It is held between our two hip bones, which are called innominate bones. The joint that is formed by an innominate bone articulating with the sacrum is called the sacroiliac or SI joint, and we have two of them, one on the left and another on the right. These pictures show the area of bone on an innominate and on the sacrum that form the surface of an SI joint. When we bend or twist our back, the innominates and the sacrum glide some at the SI joints. Because of the shape of the SI joints and the surrounding bones and ligaments that hold things in place, the sacrum will glide along different tracks on the surface of the joints, depending on which types of bending or twisting motion we are performing. Because bending and twisting move the sacrum differently, we can get into trouble if we bend and twist at the same time, especially if we twist in multiple directions while bending. When this happens, sometimes the sacrum gets wedged improperly between the hip bones, or the surrounding ligaments and/or muscles can get irritated, all of which can cause low back pain. Let's watch a video showing the types of motion that could irritate the low back. Now let's watch a better way to bend over to pick up multiple items. This way avoids combining bending and twisting at the same time. By positioning our feet to face the item and then bending, we can avoid bending and twisting the spine. This way takes longer, but can save us from throwing our back out, as some people like to say. Yet it's understandable that old habits die hard, so if you do bend over then twist different ways, and upon rising up immediately feel pain in your back, you may be able to put things right by immediately bending over how you were and then twisting back the direction you had been when you bent over for the first item. Here is a video demonstrating this. Here are two more videos, the first showing an example of combined bending twisting that should be avoided, and the second shows a safer, alternative way to accomplish the same task that is less likely to injure and irritate the low back. There are many reasons for low back pain, and some of them are life-threatening. Make sure to see a physician if you are experiencing severe pain or pain that persists, or if you have any medical questions about your health.